On behalf of Ag West and its staff, I'm very pleased to wish all the members of the Saskatchewan bioscience community, and indeed our friends and collaborators in Canada and elsewhere, a very happy and prosperous year in 2013. This next year is going to be a very important year for Ag West Bio. There are a number of very important initiatives and activities that we have planned. For example, we will continue our networking activities. This includes conference organization, seminars, events, and a number of workshops that we have in mind. One of the early events that we have will be the Plant Bioindustrial Oils meeting, which will be held March 6th and 7th in Saskatoon. We will be continuing to work with the community to foster linkages and to represent the community in attending large international conferences. This year in particular, we'll be looking at traveling to Chicago for the Bio International Conference in April, the World Conference on Industrial Biotechnology and Bioprocessing in Montreal in June, and the Agricultural Biotech International Conference in Calgary in September. We intend to work actively to have strong representation from Saskatchewan organizations at these important conferences. We also support our community by developing a bioresource guide, and the Saskatchewan Bioresource Guide will be updated for 2013, and it's a comprehensive representation of our members and their activities. Ag West continues also to develop important initiatives whereby we work with partners to strengthen various key projects, particularly in the bioproducts area. For example, we've completed a major economic analysis on the use of industrial oilseed crops as sources of bioaviation fuel. We intend to continue to work with partners such as Agrozoma Biosciences this year in further building these initiatives and looking towards bringing them to commercial success. Ag West has historically been very active in supporting the growth of small companies, and again, we endeavor to do so in this coming year. We have a very strong commercialization office. We do invest in startup companies, and again in 2013 we expect a number of important investments in some of our startup companies. We should also proudly mention that we have established a partnership with the National Research Council Industrial Research Assistance Program, whereby we can now provide comprehensive competitive intelligence in the area of research and development and marketing. This is a new service that we started late in 2012 and that we intend to provide to our member companies going forward this year. We intend to continue to work very hard in the area of communication. Communication, of course, represents a very important historical area for Ag West Bio. We have an electronic newsletter that will again be published. We are very active in National Biotech Week, which will be held in September of 2013, and we are actively engaged in developing a number of key activities during that week, and it's a showcase for the importance of new science and biotechnology and does have public implications as well. We have initiated a blogging site, and this has been very successful, and we encourage members and stakeholders in our community to approach us to work with us in presenting their opinions and ideas on our blogging site. We will continue to work and support the community in a wide range of networking events. We do look forward in 2013 to a number of important and exciting developments. For example, this will be the first full year of research activity of the Wheat Research Alliance, which is a major multi-million-dollar initiative involving the Government of Canada, the Government of Saskatchewan, and the University of Saskatchewan. We have recently been working with the government in supporting their interests in the establishment of the Global Institute for Food Security. This launch of this institute was recently announced late in December, and we expect many new and important developments in 2013, including the recruitment and hiring of key individuals and leaders for this institute. We will continue to work closely with the Government of Saskatchewan, with the Ministry of Agriculture and the Ministry of the Economy and Innovation Saskatchewan in supporting their priorities. As we move forward, we recognize the excellent support we have received from the Saskatchewan Ministry of Agriculture for the many, many years that we have been in operation. We are very thankful and grateful for this excellent support, and we continue to look forward and working closely with the ministry. We will certainly also want to recognize the dedication and the commitment of our board of directors, who have been actively involved in giving so much of their time and energy in providing leadership for our organization. So, in summary, we look forward to working closely with the community to continue to build the Saskatchewan bioeconomy and to make sure that the Saskatchewan biocluster is active and successful and will be of benefit both on a social and economic level for the citizens of Saskatchewan. Thank you.